What's up, buds? Rolling to Carraway today. Gonna go see the boys and see what's left of my playground. We are now. There's the star. Question is, are the construction workers out? Man, look at that pile of debris they've made. This shit is fucking huge. We're still gonna have a good time, I guarantee. Plenty of Carraway left for everybody. Holy shit, that's a pile of rubble. Don't see anybody actively working though. Oh, and the gate's open. The gate is open. Yeah, you know I hate the fences, you know. But when the gate's open, we can just go right on in. Take y'all around and show you this place. See how things are looking this week, because it's a ever-changing situation out here. Oh man, they've graded Slat's apartment. It is completely gone. The school's still here though. Slat's apartment is flat. The school. Oh man, all the windows are open upstairs. Oh, that's a new development. I wonder if somebody just opened them all up for fun, for me. Because that's pretty fun. I'll go up there. Oh, what's going on over here? Generators. They got some serious pipes out there. Got some serious pipes. Oh look, this is Dwayne right here. Oh, generators is fucked up, boys. Look at all the open space though. Oh, I think we might have to get right up there on this deck. Holy shit. Hope you brought your hard sole shoes. But look at this, man. They've cleaned it down to a slab right there. It's a new spot. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's completely different. That used to be the secret courtyard, 3 stories up, and the best graffiti was all up there on the inside where nobody could see it. And they've completely obliterated it. Holy shit, boys. Woo! Look at that. Oh my god, dude. This is my home. Look at that shit, dude. Oklahoma City went off right here, it looks like. Oh, damn, dude. That is so fucked. Power track, chipper. Everything he can reach, I guess. That is nuts. Fucking nuts, man. And they've still got our decks here. I think I want to go over to the other deck to get started because I'm really excited about that.
What it do?
hospital.
Yeah.
Digging quads out of the rubble. You know what they say. No quads left behind. And they had been chipping away on our Carraway for quite some time. Oh, I see the light. You right there.
I see it. The excavator that hasn't moved 42 years, another face plant into the dirt.
Oh, I guess you just have that tilt. I'm like, man, the gangster's
Oh,
laying
no,
on the
that's
GoPro.
It's crazy because that's
generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning.
Another beautiful day at Carraway. Holy shit, what a place. Just wide open for us. It's funny too, cops rolled up today, stopped these girls who were parked right up there. Meanwhile, there's 10 of us parked up here on top of the parking deck flying drones. Not a problem, but them girls in their Uggs out here trying to do some bando walking, it just, that shit ain't allowed. Look at that though, dude. It's just crazy.